Racing just started. We have Tala Saumaga, first to show quickness at the start. Running by the rail, Pandemonium, moving up on the outside. Now is Jupiter Thunder, Mangaro, Royal Pair, down on the inside is Reality Show. Start third, Diamond Luster Racing second last, while Malihim is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Pandemonium by about 2 lengths. Tala Saumaga is right behind in second. 4 lengths further back in third comes Jupiter Thunder. Royal Fair moving up on the outside. Mangaro Reality Show is down on the inside. Start Turk, then followed by Diamond Luster, while Malihim is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Pandemonium by about 4 lengths, and in second is Jupiter Thunder. Reality Show, Mangaro is on the outside. Then next on line is Royal Pair, moving up is Star Turk. Then down on the inside is Tala Saumaga, Malihim, and Diamond Luster. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Pandemonium by only a length and a half. Moving up on the outside, Jupiter Thunder. Behind some opening, down on the inside is Royal Pair as they swing for home. We have Royal Pair, and on the outside is Jupiter Thunder. Last 100 meters, Royal Pair, followed by Jupiter Thunder in second. We have Royal Pair, Jupiter Thunder, and finally Royal Pair, Jupiter Thunder. We start third, then comes Reality Show.
Pandemonium, Diamond Luster.
Parang bebe.
Ha?
Bebe ba?